just a purple industrial degreaser. Fill it up about, I don't know, 25%, and then we're gonna fill the rest up with hot water. Just feeling the rings. So cylinder 1 feels okay, a little bit of rust. Probably a little bit above the bottom, not too bad. Cylinder 2, 3, and 4 feel a little bit of a groove. I might be tripping, but I do feel a little bit of a groove, probably midway down on the front and back and passenger side. Mainly, not really on the driver's side as much, even though it should be slapping back and forth right there. So what we're gonna do is hone it out. We're gonna use WD-40 to spray these out, and then spray our dingleberry down, and we're gonna use that too. It's my first time, so we're gonna see how this goes. Honestly, I feel like I should go faster, but I want to check what I have done with that. I think this is past 3 or 4, but what I'm realizing is that as I hone it, I need to go in and out faster. So that's what I must do. Really tell. So cylinder 1 right here, that's cylinder 1, that's about 4 or 5 passes. Cylinder 2, this is only 1 pass through, it's not that bad. 3, full, but 1, 2, 3, 4 have been drilled out once, so we'll see how it goes.
I've been drinking water for some time, picking up the parts of my life. Didn't get to solve it this time. How am I to break apart? Don't tell me why we can't collide. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. Don't you feel it? Don't you feel it? On the break of dawn, I'll follow you to carry on. On the break of dawn, I'll follow you to carry on.
Not bad. Could be better. Could be better. Luckily, I can't feel any of these piston slaps with my nails. We're straight with those. Just gotta keep going, I guess. We passed 4 for cylinders, 2, 3, 4. I forgot this coolant plug right here, so we're just gonna take that off real quick. I don't know if you can tell, but it's not. Oh, I feel like that's not right. Gonna degrease it and spray it down so we can clean it up. I don't know how much memory's left, but I'm gonna just razor everything and hose everything down, and yeah. I don't know if you guys can tell. I don't know if you guys can tell, but that's all rust. Like all of that that's on the ground right now, that's all rust from the engine. So something was stuck in there. It looks like you made it to the end of the video. I'm glad you made it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace. If you like the merch, check the description below.